Are you a body that has a mind? Or a mind that lives in a body? It's a simple question, but answering it could change the way you see yourself forever. From the moment you were born, you've experienced the world through your body, through your eyes, ears, skin, and senses. But behind all of that, there's something else. A voice. A thinker. A you that's aware you even exist. Science calls this the mind-body problem. If your mind is just the result of your brain's activity, then you are, in essence, just your body. A collection of atoms creating the illusion of thought. But if your mind exists separately from your body, then your body is simply the vessel, a temporary home for something much greater. Your consciousness. Neuroscience tells us that your brain can influence your body. Think of stress. It starts in your mind, yet it can make your heart race, your hands sweat, your stomach tighten. But it also works the other way around. When you stand tall, smile, or even breathe deeply, your body sends signals back to your brain that can change your mood, your confidence, and even your thoughts. Philosophers like Descartes believed in dualism, the idea that mind and body are two separate things. Others believe in physicalism, that everything about you, even your thoughts and feelings, are just the product of physical processes in the brain. And then there's a third view, that you are neither just your mind, nor just your body. You are the union of both, an inseparable dance of biology and consciousness. Here's the strange thing. If your mind can influence your body, and your body can influence your mind, then the real question might not be which one you are, but which one you choose to strengthen. Because if you feed your body well, move it often, and keep it healthy, your mind will thank you. And if you train your mind to think clearly, stay calm, and focus, your body will respond in ways you can feel. So, are you a body with a mind? A mind with a body? Or something even more mysterious? Something science hasn't fully explained yet. Maybe the answer is this: you are both, and the power lies in how you bring them together.